everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and can you believe we're 3 days away from celebrating Christmas? Are you ready? Did you wrap all the gift? And most importantly, is your house ready for you to just enjoy and be present in this celebration and embrace the people around you, the food, the laughter, and just the celebration to have life and to make it this far? Today's video is in collaboration with a group of fabulous content creators that have come together on this Thursday to motivate you to do at least a speed cleaning of your home and to get some preparations going. This collaboration is being hosted by Bree and Bekah, and I will link their channels in the description down below, as well as the playlist of all the other content creators. Make sure to go ahead and give them the gift of your view, as well as your thumb up. Tell them Mariana sent you over, and the greatest gift that you could give us is just your visit to our channel and your subscription, which it doesn't cost you anything.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm hoping that so far you are cleaning with me and that you're enjoying the music that I'm playing and that you are getting into the spirit of Christmas and that we are tackling the house together.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Will you look at this? My youngest son, Matthew, who is not so young, he's 13. We were given some chocolate, and can I just tell you, this child ate it all. And for some reason, he thought that if he threw the wrappers behind the bed, no one was gonna find it. Well, long behold, here we are finding all the wrappers. Tell me, does your child does this? If you have a boy, do they hide the food from the siblings, and do they pretend that no one is gonna find it? More candy. I am finding
Yes,
more
every time the
candy.
snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Tell me, when do you open your gift? Do you do it on Christmas Eve or do you do it on Christmas morning? Here in our home, and if you have little ones, maybe you want to make sure you don't listen to this, but in our home, we share our gift on Christmas Eve after we have our dinner. Usually my parents and my brother come over. If you've been here with me for a while, you know I'm a single working mom with 3 children. And that's all I have. It's just my brother and my mom and my dad, which I'm very grateful that they still around and they live very close by. What I do in terms of gift, each child usually gets 3 gifts, and I do have a budget for them. They also are responsible to exchange gift, which means that each one of my children have to give us gift, and that's how we do it here in our home. I'm curious to know, how do you do it in your house, particularly if you have older children like teenagers or child that are much older and that they understand the concept of expanding and exchanging gift.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me.
Friend, if you love the Starbucks lemon cake, then you are going to love these muffins. Matthew loved it. My youngest son hated it. One neighbor that I shared with it loved it, and then the other one disliked it. So here's what I'm gonna say. You have to like lemons for you to try this recipe. So if you don't like lemons, don't do this recipe. You're not gonna like them. I'm just being honest with you. I want to wish you from my family to yours a very Merry Christmas. All the information about this recipe and the other content creators will be in the description box. And all I have to say is thank you. Thank you for being my friend, and thank you for being here. I will catch you in my next video.